Ever wondered what the future of camera technology might look like? Picture this. Cameras evolving from mere photography tools to pivotal parts of our everyday lives. Thanks to the advent of advanced technologies, we've seen cameras transform, capturing ultra-high-resolution images, creating three-dimensional visuals, and even incorporating artificial intelligence. This isn't just about taking better photos, it's about reshaping our world. A new era of camera technology is upon us, promising endless possibilities. The future of camera technology is intelligent. Imagine a world where your camera isn't just a tool, but an ally. Using artificial intelligence, cameras of the future will have the ability to auto-edit images, making every shot picture perfect. But that's not all. They'll also be able to analyze the emotions of those within the frame, bringing a whole new level of understanding to our photographs. Artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize the way we perceive and use cameras. Security takes on a new dimension with advanced camera technology. Imagine a world where cameras aren't mere observers but active defenders, monitoring and analyzing human behavior to ensure public safety. With facial recognition capabilities, these cameras can identify individuals in bustling crowds, while behavior analysis allows for detection of unusual or suspicious activities. No longer just tools for capturing moments, cameras are becoming vital to maintaining societal order and personal safety. Camera technology is redefining the concept of security. Cameras of the future are not standalone devices. They've evolved to become part of a larger ecosystem, seamlessly integrating with numerous smart systems. This interconnectedness forms a comprehensive network, enhancing security and communication capabilities. Within smart cities, these cameras serve a pivotal role, providing crucial data for traffic management, crowd control, and emergency response. They're not just watching, they're actively participating, making our cities safer, smarter, more efficient. The future of camera technology lies in integration, opening up new avenues of innovation. Welcome to the future of camera technology, a future where the lines between reality and virtuality blur, where lenses not only capture but also create. We've journeyed through the evolution of the camera from a simple tool of documentation to an intelligent device capable of understanding and interpreting the world around it. We've explored how artificial intelligence has empowered these devices to not just capture moments, but to enhance and perfect them. We've delved into the role of cameras in security, transforming the way we monitor and protect our environments. And we've seen how cameras are no longer isolated devices, but integral components of interconnected smart systems. This is the future, a future where cameras are not just observers, but active participants in our world. And this is only the beginning. The future of camera technology is here, revolutionizing our experience of the world around us.